everybody, come on in. Welcome back to Caldera Creations. First things first, I just want to give a big shout out to my subscribers and viewers. I hit over 100 views. I really enjoy, being here with you guys and putting out these videos, being creative. We both learning together and giving you guys some kind of ideas or inspiration. So that said, thank you, and I will continue putting out these beauties and keep on this journey with you all. It's just so much fun. With that said, thanks again. And let's get this beauty started. Today, we are working with a beautiful 18-inch wreath. We are working with some roses. We are working with some hearts. We are working with another variety of roses. We got black and pink. These are 3 yards ribbons. We also are working with our little cuties, which are 12 inches on the black and 11 inches on the pink and white, and also with a little pipe cleaner. Okay, let's put these to the side and let's get this started. I just pinned this on with the wire. Pinned it on. You can't really see it. And pop-am. Okay, first things first, let's get this beauty going. Okay. Okay, we're going to take this up and we're going to do the 2 loops. This, like 12 inches. 12 inch. And a 12-inch loops. Like 12 inches, yeah. 12-inch loops. So we're going to take that. Take it this way. We're going to take this one around this way. I'm going to hit it right there. See if they're both the same like that. And then we're going to get this pinned up right in here. How's everybody doing today? I am doing great. Great, great, great. Let's get that smile. Yes, indeed. Let's get this going with these beautiful colors. We got some bright pink and we got some dark colors and some beige going. On the next one, we are going to take this down. Like this, we are going to make the 1 loop. The 1 loop right here. Yes, indeed. Or did I make 2? Right here, we're going to get this. I think I made 2. This one we are just going to, I made 1. Right here. Here. Got that one going. Got this one. We are going to make 2, yep. Okay, I got it. This one we're going to go down and we're going to make our 2 loops. Go this way, then that way, and pin her in. This is the kind of confusing part. I got it. And we're going to pin it in right here. There we go. Okay, look at a lovely. A little tail. Now we're going to get this side. This 3 yards. We're going to get another one. Leave a little tail. We're going to kind of put it little waves over here. We're going to get to 1. Then we're going to get another one right here. 12-inch long. Pin this guy in here. There we go. Got that going. We're going to go down. Here, we're going to get 1. One going right here. Got it. Here, pin this in here right here. Got it. There. And then we're going to go down here and we're going to get 2. I think I put 2 on here. I think I put 2 on here. We're going to go 1 and we're going to go 2 on this one. We're going to get fancy, okay? Right here. Right here. We got these 2, bam. Hey, Papa. Ay. There. Like that. Got those. This pinned in here. There we go. Then we're going to get this one, and we're going to make one of them right here. There we go. And leave a little bit for tail. Yeah, that's right. I did it right. Okay, got this. Pin it down. That. See, with this, you don't need all the cut and everything. You just get your ribbons and you got everything in it. Just go. No need to be cutting and cutting. So simple. There, let's puff these out and let's get down with these guys. Okay, these beauties right here, we got a 12-inch of the black and 11-inch of the pink and the white. And what we're going to do is take these guys and put them together and get my son get a pipe cleaner and put it on and twist it, then pop these out, kind of pull like a there. Then we're going to spread these around on here see. I think we're going to get one here. Get them in there. There we go. Got one there. We got to step back and visualize on this step. Ooh, looking good, looking good. And this one, we are just going to balance these out, you know. Get them where they're... I got 3 of them made. There's one here. Then we're going to put another one here. Just how simple, you know. That comes up to be a beauty, you know. There we go. Wow, look at that, everybody. How's that looking? Then we're going to go wild with our roses. Just start putting them in all different of the spaces and use your imagination and balance things out. Look at, ooh, hey. Let's just get this beauty going, have fun doing it, and we will come out with a beautiful, beautiful item. Yes, we will. Look at that. Already how it's looking. Yay, Papa, look at Mama got this beauty going on. Yeah.
A cookie.
Oh, yeah. Say hello, that's my son. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, we're going to get one more right here. And we're going to get one more down here. And let's get these beautiful... we got more going on. Look, everybody. Forgot about all those roses. How is it looking, everybody? Leave a comment. Give it a thumbs up. Ooh, look at this. Just so gorgeous. Now we're going to get these beautiful little hearts in here. And I think we got it, everybody. I think we got it. And there it is. Once again, I thank you for the viewing my channel and the subscribers. And I will continue on getting it with this journey and getting these beauties out. Let me step back and visualize on that. Ooh, look at that, everybody. How'd that come out? Beautiful. Once again, happy Valentine's. Have fun and enjoy creating your wreaths. And let's just get through this day and smile. Until then, see you later. And thank you. Ooh, came out beautiful. Wow. Thank you.